let's see in practice how to buy or tokenized Pfizer stock. The first step is to make sure your crypto wallet has a balance in one of the currencies supported by the token issuer. So you need some USDC or USDY, the Ondo's own tokenized dollar. But USDY wasn't a good deal at the time I'm recording this video. It was over $1.40. So let's forget USDY for now. Once you have funds in your wallet, just search for the asset. I will use my Binance wallet here since I have some balance there. And again, this video isn't sponsored. Binance is paying me nothing for this. And I won't go into detail about how to deposit money into your exchange account, so this video doesn't get too long. But if you need help with that, drop me a comment below. If lots of people ask, I can make a separate video showing the full process from the very beginning. To buy or tokenize the Pfizer stock, first we need USDC. So I'll go to Markets, type USDC in the search bar, and click USDC/BRL, because BRL is my local currency. Then I click the green buy button. On the screen, I will enter the amount I want to buy. Here I will buy $20 and then click the green buy USDC button. Next, we will need a bit of Ether, or just ETH or ETH, the native currency of the Ethereum network, to pay for the transaction fees when buying the Pfizer token. We will pay for the stock with USDC, but Ethereum network requires a small amount of ETH for gas fees. That means the transaction cost. That's one of the few costs involved, but it's much lower than traditional broker fees. And it doesn't scale with the transaction size. In other words, no matter how much you buy or sell, the gas fee stays about the same. Now, let's buy some ETH. It's the same process. Go to Markets, search for ETH/BRL, click Buy, and instead of entering the amount in ETH, I will use the total BRL field because I want to say how much money I want to spend, not how many ETH I'm going to buy. Here I'll put 10 BRL, which is more than enough. Done. Now that we have USDC and ETH, we got everything you need to buy our stock token. We just have to send both to our wallet. Click the home icon to go back to the main screen, then click wallet. If you don't have a wallet created yet, the app will generate one for you. Just follow the on-screen instructions. It's easy. On the wallet screen, click the yellow receive button. Select transfer from Binance Exchange, and you'll see all your assets there. Click USDC, choose the Ethereum network, and hit continue. Enter the amount you want to send. I will click next to send it all, then click transfer. Enter your two-factor authentication code when prompted, and done. Now we have USDC in your wallet. Do the same for ETH. Now that we got both USDC and ETH in our wallet, we can finally buy the Pfizer token. On the main wallet screen, click Trade. In the front field, select USDC. In the to field, type PFEON. Now, this is where you need to pay close attention not to select the wrong token. Below the token name, you see Pfizer Ondo token, along with the beginning and the end of the token's smart contract address. It's extremely important that the address matches the one listed on the issuer's official website, in this case, Ondo's site. To be sure, I checked Ondo's website, searched for Pfizer, and confirmed that the address matched exactly with the one shown in my Binance wallet. Perfect! Now I can safely select the right token. Next, enter how much USDC you want to invest. It must be any value greater than $10. Then click Approve is Swap. On the next screen, you can adjust the gas fees, but I don't recommend touching the settings unless you know exactly what you are doing. If you set it too low, your transaction might never go through. If it's too high, you just waste money. So let's keep the default settings and click Confirm. Done. Our order was sent to the blockchain, and it will be executed shortly. You can already see the transaction details here. And look at that. We now own 0.43 Pfizer shares in our wallet. Pretty cool, right? If you liked learning how to buy stocks from anywhere in the world without opening a broker account or losing money with exchange spreads, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. And let me know in the comments, what kind of real-world asset would you like to have in your wallet? Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next